Our today's topic is nomenclature of organic compound. From today, we'll start how to name an organic compound. Okay, so organic chemistry, you know that it deals with millions of compounds, and it deals with millions of compounds, right? And how to name them. Okay, how to name them. Suppose we have just like our name is like that. We have our name and we have our surname. Okay, we have a name and we have our surname. So from this is our identity. Okay, this is our identity, just like Bipradeep Chakraborty. So that is your identity, right? So that's in this way also organic compounds also needs their identity, their name, and as they are present in millions of in the numbers, so that's why they are to name that organic compound, we have to follow some rule. Okay, previously actually name of the organic compounds actually two types you can see over here. One is tribal system and another is IUPAC system. Okay, tribal system and IUPAC system. Tribal system means previously when our organic compounds, it was thought that it was only we get it from living elements. That time some name has been given, but nowadays a systematic method has been applied, and that systematic method has been applied by IUPAC. Do anyone have know the full name of IUPAC? Full form of IUPAC? Anyone have any idea?
International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry.
Yes, very good.
Yes,
so
pure and applied chemistry.
So it is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is the IUPAC. So IUPAC has given some idea, and with that idea actually, IUPAC has given some systematic rules, and when we are naming an organic compounds, we have to follow such rules. But before we're going to learn the IUPAC system in detail, first we have to learn the tribal or common system. Organic compounds were named after the source from which they are first isolated. So firstly, from where they are isolated, from where they are extracted, from that name, it has been given name. Just like urea. Urea, first it is obtained in the urine of mammals. So from that it have its name urea. Methyl alcohol is called wood spirit because it was obtained by the destructive distillation of wood. Okay, acetic acid got its first name because it is present in vinegar. Okay, just like formic acid is derived from Formicus, since it is obtained by the destructive distillation of red ants. Okay, so from that actually they are getting this common name. This like citric acid. Citric acid, okay. Citric acid actually it was obtained in citrus fruit. That's why from that it gets its name citrus acid. Okay, sorry, citric acid. It obtained. It was present in citrus fruit. That's why its name becomes citric acid. So a few examples are there. See, just like methane, then CH2H2 acetylene, then butane, isobutane, pentane, chloroform, ethyl methyl ether, formaldehyde, acetone, acetic acid, acetonamide. Okay, so these are the tribal name. These are not the IUPAC name. These are the tribal name, or you can say the common name. Now we have to learn various names are there. See, now we have to learn the general rules for IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. Okay, so there is a formula. You write down the formula. The formula is prefix, okay, prefix plus word root, okay, then suffix. Prefix plus word root plus suffix. If we want to break down it more, then see secondary suffix, okay, secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Clear till this much?
Yes, miss.
Now you can ask me, ma'am, what are the secondary suffix? What are the primary suffix? What are the root word, right? So just I'm giving you one small example you understood. Secondary suffix are actually subsequent branches. Okay. This is secondary suffix. Primary suffix are like cyclobutane, cycloheptane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. Okay. What are the root word? Root word is number of carbon atom in main chain. Okay. Primary suffix is like this. C single one C will be in, okay. C double bond C will be in. C triple bond C will be ein, like this. Sorry. These are the primary suffix, and secondary suffix will be functional group. Okay. So prefix can be divided into two parts, secondary and primary. Secondary suffix are the subsequent branches. Primary suffix are cyclo, this word. Root word means number of carbon chain. Primary suffix is primary suffix is it has single bond, double bond, or triple bond, and then secondary suffix are the functional groups. Till this much it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Alpec system of nomenclature of alkenes. So this thing you have written now. Write down this one in your copy. Okay. So see CH3, CH2, CH3. If one hydrogen is removed, one hydrogen is removed, then it's formed. See CH2, CH2, CH3. So 1, 2, 3. How many hydrogen atom? Probe. So one hydrogen is removed. That's why its name become propyl. Okay, understood? This is the primary alkyl or N-alkyl. Or if there is from ethane to it's from ethyl, right? This one is ethyl. CH2, CH3. Its name is ethyl. See, methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. If 10 carbon atom is there, and then decyl. So these are the alkyl group. Okay, when one hydrogen is removed, from an alkane, they form alkyl group. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, few things you have to remember. These are the groups. Okay. See, CH3, this group is known as isopropyl. This group is known as isopropyl, or this group you can say this one also, isopropyl group. This this one is as well. This is C. This is CH3. Okay. No. Okay. No. Just a second. Isopropyl group. You can write it like this. See, CH3, CH3, CH dash. This is isopropyl group, or like this. This is sec butyl. This is isobutyl. This is tert butyl. And when one carbon atom is attached with 4 carbon, this carbon is known as neopentyl. This is known as neopentyl group. So this is isopropyl, sec butyl, isobutyl, tert butyl, or neopentyl. Clear? So these are the things you have to remember. This alkyl group you have to remember. Isopropyl group, this one. Sec butyl group, this one. Isobutyl group, this one. This is tert butyl, and this is neopentyl. These are the groups you have to remember. Okay, now we are moving to nomenclature of branch chain alkanes. Or you can say naming of saturated hydrocarbons. So first rule. The first rule is so nomenclature of saturated hydrocarbons. Nomenclature of saturated hydrocarbons. The first rule, select the longest chain of carbon. Select the longest chain of carbon. So let's see. Let's see one example. See this one. CH3, CH, and then CH2, 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 CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay. So this is the two compound. Okay, same compound. Now, if you start naming it, say, first we have to start the number. The first, suppose I'm start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 carbon atom is present in this chain. And we can do the numbering from here also like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which one will be the correct? We have to select the longest chain. So which one will be the correct? Obviously, the first one will be the correct. The first one will be the correct numbering. Always we have to select the longest chain. Okay? This portion clear? Always we have to select the longest chain. Tell me clear or not, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next, the next rule. If number of carbon atoms are same, if number of carbon atoms are same, then more branched chain is selected as the longest. Okay. If number of carbon atoms are same, then more branched chain is selected as the longest. Let's see one example. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one. No, delete it. Suppose this is the compound, and I have to take the one more. Yeah. So which will be the longest chain? If we consider this one will be the longest chain, or this one will be the longest chain. See, here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 compound. Here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, in both cases 7 carbons are present, but this one will be correct because here see 2 branches are present, but here only 1 branch is present. Here 2 branches are present, so the numbering will be like this, not like this. Understood? Can we understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if number of branches are also same, if number of branches are also same, okay, then use lowest set of locants rule. What is locants rules? I'm telling you just. Let's draw the carbon. Eight carbon atom. Okay, this is one. I'm just need to copy it. Okay, these are the. This is the compound. Now 1, 2, 3. This longest chain will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In both the case, see here is also 3. You can say here is also 3 branches are present. 1, 2, this one, and here is also 1, 2, 3. Now the thing is that how to numbering this chain. So first, suppose I'm now start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to find the locant for branches. For first one, see, this is for in 4, 1 carbon branch is present. In 6, 1 carbon branch is present, and in 5, 1 carbon branch is present. So total locants number is 15 over here. See, and here first carbon branch is present in 3. Then second carbon branch is present in 4th carbon, and third carbon branch is present in 5th carbon. So 5 for 9, 12. So which numbering will be correct? This numbering will be correct. This numbering will not. So if the number of branches are also same, then use lowest set of locant. So here the set of locant is 3, 4, 5, and here the set of locant is 4, 6, and 5. So obviously this will be correct. This will be wrong. Till this much understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, explain this once
Yes,
more, no?
miss.
Okay. So these are the compound. I can do numbering from left side also. I can do numbering from right side also. When I am doing numbering from right side, that means from here, this side, see, the first chain, that means, sorry, the first branch is present in 4th carbon. This is 4th carbon. First branch is present. This is 5th carbon. Second branch is present. And this is the 6th carbon where 3rd branch is present, this one. So the set of locants, that means set of branches is, that means in 4th, 5 and 6, 4, 5 and 6, 4, 5 and 6, if I make it total, it's become 15. Here, see the set of, here first carbon branch is present in carbon 3, here it is in carbon 4, and here it is in carbon 5. Okay, here it is in carbon 3, here it is in carbon 4, and here it is in carbon 5. So here the set of locant is 3, 4, 5. So obviously this will be correct.
Okay, ma'am. We have to show the summation also.
No. You don't have to show the summation. You just have to, I just make you understand this in this way. You just have to do the numbering and you have to write the name. And for that you have to do a proper numbering. If you don't do the numbering properly, you cannot name the compounds properly. So for the numbering, I'm just telling you. The lowest set of Lecant, you have to find if the number of branches are also same. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today up to this much then. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm ending the class now. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.